find the value of P so that the lines 1 minus x upon 3 is equal to 7y minus 14 upon 2p is equal to z minus 3 upon 2, Cartesian equations of the line, and this one are at right angles. Now writing the given equations, in standard form. One minus x upon 3 is equal to 7 y minus 2 upon 2p, z minus 3 upon 2, 7 1 minus x upon 3p is equal to y minus 5 upon 1 is equal to 6 minus z upon 5. Now this becomes x minus 1 upon minus 3 is equal to y minus 2 upon 2 upon 7p is equal to z minus 3 upon 2. Now this is the standard form, and x minus 1 upon minus 3 upon 7p is equal to y minus 5 upon 1 is equal to z minus 6 upon minus 5. Now direction ratios are minus 3, 2 upon 7p, 2, and minus 3 upon 7p, 1 and minus 5. Since the lines are at right angle, it is given the lines are at right angle. Now since the lines are at right angle, therefore now the condition when the lines are perpendicular is a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is equal to 0. Now this implies now a1 a2 a3 and b1 b sorry a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2. Now we are having minus 3 times minus 3 upon 7p plus 2 upon 7p times 1 plus 2 times minus 5 is equal to 0. Now 9p upon 7 plus 2p upon 7 minus 10 is equal to 0. 11p upon 7 is equal to 10. P is equal to 70 upon 11. Hence P is equal to 70 upon 11, and this is the value of P.